Hello and welcome to EGN3214. I'm Dr. Ron Eaglin and I'm going to take you through just an introduction to this course. This is EGN3214 is programming for engineers, and what I want you to kind of get an idea of was what you're going to learn in this course. Well, first thing to note is that I'm not going to try to make you a computer programmer. That is a profession. People that do computer programming take lots of classes and then train for years to become a computer programmer. However, as an engineer, programming is one of the really good skills that you just the better you are at it, the better you're going to be as an engineer. So in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to use the Python language and the Python processor. And in computational programming right now, I think between MATLAB and Python is really where the go-to programs to do real engineering problems. So you are going to write some computer programs, but really the focus of this class is how to use the Python programming language and Python as a tool to solve engineering problems. So the tool that we're going to use in this class, which is Python, that's the language and the processor. That's something that you install on your machine and it's sitting there in the background ready to go. Now, the development environment, the tool that you're going to have, that you're going to actually interface with, is going to be Spider. And I want you to get an idea here that when you see that PY in any word, they kind of love to use the scientific Python development environment. And okay, now you've got Spider made out of it. I can tell you, Spider is an awesome tool. It takes a little bit of time to start up on your computer. It's a little slow there, but once you've got it up and running, it is an amazing tool, and you'll see as we go along how to do this. Now, I do have videos where I demonstrate other development tools, and the reason I do that is because I want you to know that Spider's not your only choice. But for what we're going to do, Spider really is your choice. Another thing that you're going to do, because you're going to be using packages that have been written by other people, you're going to have an ability to manage and run these packages. And I use, and you will use, Anaconda. So it's probably not a bad idea to get familiar with some of the packages in Anaconda. Now, of course, as part of the class, you're going to get familiar with a lot of the packages in Anaconda. We're going to be using things like SciPy, Scientific Python, or you're going to be using Pint, which, by the way, is just is a really good package for managing units. You're going to be using Matplotlib, or you're going to be using the Python plot libraries. So you're going to be doing all these things. But remember why you're doing this. This class should really change the way that you go about solving engineering problems, because using the Spider and using Python, you've got capabilities that you just simply didn't have before. Now, I'm going to be going through the way that you learn in this class is by doing. I don't